Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. Hope you all are having an amazing day. So, I came to bring you guys along. Today is November the 14th, guys. Yeah. So, hope you all had a beautiful Friday. I did. I'm very grateful. It's another day. So, yes, we're in the bathroom, guys. So, I had to wash my face so I can be presentable for y'all. I already brushed my teeth, so you don't have to worry about that. Every now and then I try to bring you guys along for a little pampered routine that I do to myself. So I just cleansed my face. I just actually had the black soap on my face. I washed it real good with my hands, and I'm gonna apply my oils that I normally use. For all of you who always ask me about my skin. So guys, yeah, I don't have any major plans today, like major. I'm kind of gonna it's gonna be like a relaxed day today. Yeah, so I think actually my daughter, this is shea butter, y'all, raw shea butter. My daughter, they should be, I think it's around 10 o'clock, I think. So I think in a couple of hours they should be headed back to Ohio. So yeah, she was out of town for her birthday. They stayed in an Airbnb. She said it was really nice. So yeah, guys, right now I'm putting on my shea butter, raw shea butter, not the yellow one, y'all, because I think that has like extra oils in it, the yellow one. So, and then I'm gonna top it off with some vitamin E, which is always good. Just a few drops. That's it. Rub it in. Whatever's left, I usually just put it on my hands because my hands need it, and then I'll just top it off with putting it on my hair as well. So guys, for my hair, what I usually do too is I wet it, and then I just add some moisture, some stuff I concocted, and then I just rub my hands through it. My hair is literally growing, y'all, if you guys can see. So I just like wearing the bigger twist more than I like the little twist. Because I don't know if you guys seen, I did have little ones that I swapped them out and took like 2 of them out at a time, and then transformed them into a bigger one. So basically that's all I do. For all that you didn't know, very simple routine. I don't do all that. It's just too much. All this craziness, I can't do it. But y'all, I'm gonna get off this camera because I really don't like coming on here with my night clothes on. I think it's very inappropriate. It doesn't matter if you have on a gown or not. I just think it's not, I don't know. That's just the way I was raised, y'all. I was raised very differently. I don't think it's very ladylike. So with the snap of a camera, I'll see you guys once I get dressed. Bye. All right, guys, I'm back. Hopefully I am presentable. But I just got through having I had some coffee, read my word, and finished my oatmeal. It was really good. So guys, I'm trying to think of some things like what all I got to share with y'all in a little bit of time. Because yesterday's video, are y'all excited? Y'all had 15 minutes. And I'm so grateful. I don't want to speak too loud, knock on some wood, because so far so good as far as the filming stuff and the editing and whatever. So yeah. Oh, this I want to let y'all know. In here in the kitchen, I am going to be taking this rod along with this rod here. I'm gonna, if I don't tomorrow Sunday, and I'm going to Crazy Bands. If I do not find any black rods there, I'm gonna use these. I'm gonna spray these black because it's cheaper to go get the black rods for $1, or because the spray paint is like almost going to be on $5. So either way it go, I'm gonna spray these two if I can't find rods. This blind will be coming down, and I will be putting another this valley blind right here will be going in this window right here, so it won't be no curtain. I'll be able to take my 100% curtain down. And I'll take her, I'm gonna put her somewhere. I'll probably put her back in the package and take her to where I got her from. I think it was Bed Bath & Beyond. and I just get a store credit because I really don't need it. So yeah, I just think it'll look better. And then these here are gonna get hung higher because I told you I was trying to hide an outlet, but I'm not worried about that right now. I'm just gonna make them a little higher, switch out the ride. I think I'll be fine. And guys, this is so pretty. I think I'm letting her dry out right now. I think I'm gonna put her, I'm gonna house her right there. I'm thinking. She's so pretty because I took the pumpkin down and put the pumpkin on the table right there. So yeah, let me show you guys a few things before I forget. Okay, so let me set y'all down somewhere so y'all can see me. Hopefully y'all will be able to see me. Okay, set y'all right here. So y'all remember I bought this from Foreman Meals, this sphere thing. I'm taking it back because I put it here, it doesn't go well to me. This reminds me of farmhouse. Y'all let me know in the comments. Does this, at first I thought it was mid-century, but it's really not. The color of it, the color of the wood is more farmhouse. So if you guys know, farmhouse has lighter wood more than they do dark wood, and mid-century has darker wood. So I'm gonna take this back and just get my money back. It was only $4. I mean, I tried to put it underneath the TV thing. It just doesn't look right. So this is going back. And then guys, this here, I call this a snuffer, but guess what? I looked inside this thing when I was cleaning it, and it says 1/4 cup, and the other side says 1 ounce. I think this is something that you use when you make drinks or something, but it looks like a snuffer. So I put it here, and I think it looks cute right there in place of that, first of all. So that's not the main reason why I'm getting rid of that. The main reason, like I told y'all, that reminds me of farmhouse. But I think that looks nice right there by itself. Guys, you don't need a lot. You don't need a lot in your spaces. You just don't. You just really, really don't. So look how that looks by itself. I want this room to be so much open. And then over here, guys, I'm going to take that plant and I'm going to move it right here. I'm going to move it right here so it's going to be taller. I'm going to move this here over here. That is my plan today. And then I'll probably come back and show you what it looks like once I get it done. So yeah, like I said, this belly blind is going to go in the kitchen pretty soon, and then I have to replace, I think I told y'all before I was going to do those 2 blinds. What do I do with my coffee? I was going to do those 2 blinds with the regular blinds that we bought for the remaining of the windows. The ones that you just push it up. You don't have to worry about the strings hanging because of the kids. Let me see what else. Oh, so once I move that over, y'all, I bought this out of the kitchen because remember, I think I told y'all before I was going to end up putting it in anyway. I'm going to scoot that to the end. And whatever is hiding these cords right here, I'm not worrying about it right now because I'm just not worrying about it. That is just like the least of my worry. I can find anything at any given time and cover that up. So I'm not going to worry my pretty little head about nothing like that. So yeah, guys, I just want it more open in here. The more open, the more area, the more I can breathe, and the more better that I feel. So I'm going to show you in the bedroom real quick, y'all, of how those curtains. All right, guys, I can't show y'all too much because remember I said once I get the bedroom all together, then you can see things. But that's how that rod came out, and as you can see how it plays off with the other one, and it is long. It's really bright in here, y'all. It's long. But if you can tell, these are the same exact fabrics, as you can see, and it really looks good. Looks good. I washed it and pressed it, so that's why it has the beautiful lines and stuff in it. So yeah, I can always, like I was telling y'all before, I can always what's up with the light? Hold on, y'all. I can always fill in those I don't know what's going on, y'all, but I can always fill in the end pieces with other pieces. Oh my gosh, y'all, here's my beautiful room. How could somebody say they don't like this? How could you not like that? It's so beautiful. I even painted the black part, y'all. I even painted that rim of it black. I think that is pretty. And I think maybe this will get spray painted gold or something. I'm gonna see if he could do that. I don't wanna tackle that because it was hard for us to get those things up there. I don't wanna do that. So Yeah, look how pretty that looks. So guys, yeah, that's everything. I love it. And then somebody was saying put a plant right here to hide this cord. I mean, it works for us. It's not for everybody. Only thing we can do is just like cover that up. I don't really want to get no plant just to put right there. I put this plant in front of it anyway, just for that purpose. So if your eyes was just on that cord right there, I mean, I'm sorry, I don't know what else to tell you. I don't. And let me show you guys how the picture frame came out. So cute. So here's the frame, guys. I think look at that. Look at the side of it. Do y'all see that pretty decor? The print engravements on that. It is awesome. Look that's how it looks from the side. So imagine how it looks. This is it. Like that. I don't want to put people's photo. I'll put us right here, but I'm not want to put nobody else in the picture. But that's how that looks. And I have decided to put it in the bedroom, because the bedroom's going to be gray, black, gold, and white. I think that's really pretty. So basically I'm just waiting on finding a dresser. Tomorrow I'm going to be on the hunt for a dresser. I'm going to be on a hunt for curtain rods, one more curtain like the one in the back. Oh, that's what I forgot to show y'all, the curtain back here. I have 5 pair of curtains, or 6 pair on offer up to get rid of because she don't need them. But here is the other curtain. Wait a minute, y'all, we are a little bit too bright here. We're a little too bright. Okay, there we go. So there is the curtain. Super cute. I almost forgot to show y'all. But that is the curtain. She got washed and all that, and I hung her. It's very, very long. So that's the same one as the ones in the it's the same as the ones that I hung in the living room. So yeah, guys, I don't really have anything else. But like I said, on the hunt for a dresser. Let me see, dresser. What else? Yeah, I don't lost my thoughts already. I'm on the hunt for a dresser. I got it all written on a piece of paper. The another frame for that other marital picture. Let me see. I can't remember it. My mind just threw a blank for me. Dresser, 2 curtain rods, picture frame. What else was it? Oh, if I could find a lamp for that back room that's something similar to that one, like mid-century, really slick, slim, sleek line, you know. What else? And some type of, the gold round mirror, if I can find one. If not, then I'll just keep hunting, or the last straw is go back to Burlington Coat, where I got my other one from. So yeah, guys, that's all the updates, and hope I fulfilled your question. I hope I fulfilled all of you guys wondering about the yard. I hope that was good enough for you guys. And I'll probably see you in another video. And in this video, I'll probably just show how that looked when I switch out the plant here to put here and put that over there. So guys, I'll see you. Don't forget to love yourself, okay? Bye.